Ellis, look at.
Where's your honey? Honey? Can you say honey?
Honey.
You see-
Strawberry monster. Whoa. The strawberry monster is gonna get me. They're funny.
No, he said strawberry.
Oh, strawberry.
Whoop.
I thought he
Can
said
you pick that
wowie.
up for him, please?
Yeah.
These are good.
Alice
Nope.
wants some strawberry.
He's trying to put it on his finger.
Oh, here.
Who's sidekick in the room? Raise their hand. No, you're not.
Alice is mushroom
I can even
finger.
test it.
Alice
to
is
see if
Mr.
you are.
Mushroom finger. It's not a mushroom, it's probably strawberry. That looks like a mushroom, kind of. He's eating his finger!
That was a big mouthful. You okay?
And I am strawberry.
I ate one nugget.
Good job. What do you want now? Some strawberries?
Strawberries.
Yes.
We'll try it.
All right.
And I'm done.
Let's try it.
Okay, I'm done.
I think you like raspberry.